Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2000 Honda Shadow Sabre. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2000 Honda Shadow Sabre with 10,220 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. Powered by a 1099cc V-twin engine, the Sabre puts 67 horsepower and 67 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 3.9-gallon fuel capacity, the Shadow has a 150 to 170 mile range. It has a 28.7-inch seat height and a 575-pound dry weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds, and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a dent in the fuel tank, a missing bar end, a tear on the passenger seat strap, and a paint chip on the rear fender. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit and one key, a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades.
At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.